Hi guys! In today's video, I'll show you how you can watch YouTube directly in your car. I'll walk you through a simple method to get it set up, but just a quick reminder before we begin. Safety is the priority, so never watch while driving. The app we'll be using is called CarTube, and it allows you to access YouTube and other platforms right on your car's display. The setup is very straightforward. Just connect your phone either via Bluetooth or with a wired connection through CarPlay, and you'll be able to enjoy YouTube on your car screen. CarTube is simple, reliable, and convenient. If you're interested in learning how to install it, keep watching as I take you step by step through the process. Before we proceed, there are a few settings to check. First, go to your device's settings, tap on battery, and ensure that low power mode is disabled, as it can interfere with the app's performance. Next, go to the General section, select Background App Refresh, and make sure either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data is enabled. Once these settings are adjusted, we can start the installation process. Open your browser and visit appbinge.com, a trusted source for modded apps. Search for CarTube and click on it. A window will pop up with information such as download numbers and community ratings. Hit the Download Now button to begin the installation. The process is quick, and shortly after, you'll receive a confirmation that the app has been successfully installed. If you don't see the confirmation, you may need to complete a final simple step and download some additional files. But don't worry, there's a tutorial on the website that explains exactly how to do it. Once you follow that, the file will download immediately. I've already installed it myself, and it works perfectly. And that's it. That's the entire process for getting CarTube. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. If you found this guide helpful and everything works well for you, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more tutorials like this. If you run into any problems or have questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks again,